So what's the funnest part about it?
There's like 20 trees in like
20
the first half that we gotta go over or under.
No kidding, 20 trees.
Your ankles, and some places it's above my head.
Good night, guys. Hey guys, we got HOH Racing TV. You guys mind if we give you a little interview for our YouTube channel? Awesome. So is this your first time racing?
It's 8 for me.
Whoa, 7th or 8th? Wow.
Together, like 6. This is our 6th time together.
Okay, so what do you like the best about it?
It's just fun. Just come out every year, see everybody that we've seen the whole time, dress up a little bit.
Definitely a challenge. You steer the water, levels,
Yeah.
a lot of logs.
What's your favorite part about it?
The logs, probably.
The logs are
The first like third of it is logs. The rest is just paddling. Definitely getting
the
over.
logs are making
Actually,
it my boy.
the end is the best, really.
What do you do when you're coming up on a log? Because we saw some pictures and we're like, wow, that looks kind of scary. So when you're coming up on it, what do you think?
Well, usually there's a bunch of people already there, so usually it's helping other people like over, or sort of helping them get out of the way.
Slow down, don't crash into it.
Yeah. Because sometimes people are like sitting on the log, you don't want to fix their leg or anything like that.
Yeah,
Pretty bad, but
Very nice. Are you guys locals around here?
Ocala.
Ocala. Oh, awesome. We're from Worcester, so we're on the way there. So very cool. Well, good luck, you guys.
Yeah.
You want me to hold it? I can if you want. Yeah, I'll see you at the end. I'll spend it real quick.
All right, that's it.
All right, so let's go over the rules real quick.
All right, good luck, guys. Mark. I think they slept for alligators. Woo! Good job. Woo! Whoop, whoop. Good luck, everybody. Woo! Good job, guys. All right, so this is youth class and current youth class for the last 2 racing lanes. Woohoo! Nailed it. Good luck, guys. Oh man! Woo! Nailed it. Woo! Good job, all you guys. Good luck. Races on. They got the dog, the kids. Oh, the national anthem, guys. Rocking it. Looking good at it. Woo! You guys rock it. Good luck. The racing is on the river. Woo! Good job. Good steering, man. You look very confident. Small. Woo! Whoop. That'll work. Has a little traffic down there. Put it on orange. Or kayak. Woo! Nice. Woo!
Oh, we have all the options.
Some people don't want to get out and push it when they got to. Woo! You guys practice. Good job. Yeah. Good job, ladies. Good luck. And they take the lead. All right. Good job. You guys nailed it. You guys must have practiced. You knew exactly where to go. All right, guys. Don't scare the alligators. Woo! Woo! Nailed it. Nailed it. Good luck, ladies. Good luck and have fun. We got our two pros right there. Nailed it. Good luck, ladies. Have it. Oh. Woo! Good luck, ladies.
Oh Lord! Oh, this is not good.
Hey ladies, we're with the other side of the fence. We're actually another local nonprofit. We got a high octane racing TV channel, and we are doing some interviews for our YouTube channel. Do you ladies mind if we ask you? It looks like you have a whole racing team right here.
Yeah, the one that likes to talk. Yeah. I like to talk. Our team, because we're looking for new members all the time.
Awesome.
We're doing this just as a group of fun, but we just happen to wear our team jerseys.
Well, I love it.
Kayaker at all. Like I've kayaked like twice in my life.
Okay, so this is kind of a first for you.
This is our first time that we've ever done this, all of us.
Very cool. What do you guys normally do with your guys' team?
Dragon boat.
Dragon boats.
Yep.
Oh, so you guys, so the Chinese New Year. So
Yeah.
okay, very cool. Oh, very cool. You guys build your own boats?
We don't know. They're commercial made boats.
Okay.
We have two boats that fit 20 paddlers, a drummer and a steer, and then we have one boat that fits 10 paddlers, a drummer and a steer. So it's sprint racing.
Very beautiful. Yeah.
Totally different than what we're doing today.
Yeah, so I taught Chinese children English when I was going to school. I'm a therapist by trade, and so I learned a lot about the dragon boats, and it's a really big thing over there. And my little kids absolutely loved it. It was like some of the funnest. Hopefully, we can come out and get some footage of you guys on that sometime. When do you guys do?
Want to try it too?
Yeah.
We have a Facebook for Nature's Coast, Nature's
Yeah.
Coast Dragon Boat Club.
Okay.
We have can come and try it and just like be a guest paddler third day.
We
Yeah.
actually have an event in the spring and in the fall of rodeo, dragon boat
Yeah, so
rodeo.
you barrel race dragon boats, 41-foot boats.
Wow, that sounds so cool. So you said it's naturecoast.com, or what's your guys'?
Coast.com.
Okay, that is very cool. So we'll check you guys out, and we'll put a little link on our website on our on the video footage if you guys don't mind, so people can sign up. And how many people are you looking for your team? Is it women only, ladies? What are you guys?
Mixed.
All ages. Yeah.
All ages and genders.
Yep. Everybody's welcome. Everybody's welcome. And we have a recreational team that just paddles for fun. And then we have a team that trains for races. So there's kind of something for everybody.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm a therapist by trade, and I think that a lot of the biggest things that we're missing is connection to nature, connection to family, connection to community, and those things cause depression and anxiety. And instead of saying, hey, you have a mental illness, let's connect you back to the things that make us whole and make us healthy.
Mind,
So-
body, and spirit.
Absolutely. So
It's so true because I know I've been going through some stressful times in my life, but this Dragon Boat Club team family actually has been like the most cohesive thing for me, and it's really helped get me through.
And we really have
you
become a
back out.
family. And we're from every different state in the United States. And we all come together and to have different views, but we all get along and become part of the family.
Anytime you can be part of a true team as an adult is
Yeah.
a unique experience
Absolutely.
that many people don't get to have in their adulthood.
yeah.
And that's, I think, what makes it so special
Yeah.
is the togetherness and the things that we do outside of being on the boat.
Yeah.
Like this is a prime example. We all signed up individually, but we're also here
Yeah.
supporting each other as a teammate to
Very
help us get over
cool.
the obstacles and pull the kayaks and everything else. So.
Yeah, teamwork. That is amazing. So which ones are your guys' kayaks?
Well, only one is in the women's group. The rest of us are in the senior kayak group, so we're over there.
Okay, so you guys, whenever you catch up, so the one that's over here, you guys have to kind of wait for everybody else to catch up,
Yeah,
or?
she's gonna come barreling through.
I don't know how to take it easy.
I don't know how to relax.
Her motto
She's
is
gonna be like,
the way you do
How you do anything is how you do everything.
Absolutely. I try to tell all my kids that I provide therapy for. It's like one of the biggest things is try your best, do your best, and that's all that matters. Well, I work with a lot of DCF kids. I do some school counseling, and then I do some private practice. So I,
Mental health therapy.
yeah,
I'm
I work.
getting my ESE teaching certification too, so I work with a lot of kids that have challenges.
Absolutely. So the foster kids and the kids that are in my school base, they're tier 3. They are in desperate need of family, community, really. And I feel so bad because I work with them individually and then I have to send them back to their environments. And I'm like, I know that if you could have a better environment.
A mentorship dragon boat thing together with members of the community and then at-risk youth kids. I think it would be so beneficial being out in the water, having that support system, having like even retired police officers, retired veterans, and then partnering them up with kids and getting them out in the boat.
Absolutely. So that's kind of what we're doing. So we're working with at-risk youth, and we are like, so a lot of their issues are that they are actually really smart. They're failing school because they're like gearheads. They need to do things outside of the math and English that's in school, so they feel really stupid about themselves. They're really insecure, but they're actually brilliant kids that just need a different kind of outlet. So we are partnering. Kenyan Racing we're going to be doing pretty much that. So we're working with at-risk youth. They're going to be learning mechanical skills, how to build little different race cars, race day. So yeah,
It's meant to be.
absolutely. So the Dragon Balls, like definitely we've got to hook up because that would be
Absolutely. Even like a
Very
Saturday
cool.
event, bring a group of kids. Just is everybody in Morristown? Is that pretty much your area?
Right.
From Waccasassa Springs.
Yeah.
We'll drive, but
Yeah, well, so that's why it's a rural community. So I mostly work in like the Cross City area. Levy, Dixie, and Gilchrist are my 3 counties that I mostly work in. So we have, we live in a rural community. We got to drive.
yeah.
So Homosassa's right next door. We definitely get a hold of us on there. We'll post you guys. And all right, ladies, good luck. I hope you guys have a good time. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Snakes or alligators?
We did this like maybe 4 weeks ago, like as a practice, and we saw I think three alligators.
Okay. And this is your partner? Hey, partner.
Josh.
Hey, Josh. We're the HOH Racing TV, so we own another nonprofit around here. So we are connecting community, family, and nature, 3 connections we need to have good mental health. So we really appreciate everybody being able to come out and enjoy it. How many times have you guys been in the race? Your first time? Really? Okay. Very cool. No, so you're a little bit nervous, or?
Not really.
No, really? Okay.
We went for a practice run just to see what to expect.
Nice. How long did it take you?
4 hours.
4 hours.
The water's pretty low.
Okay, was that hitting it like hard, or was that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
It wasn't like a leisurely paddle.
Okay. Wow.
That's a good run there, huh?
Like a couple years ago, the fastest time was like an hour and a half. But like the water was super high, so it's not for
Oh yeah. So would you rather go over the logs or under the logs?
Yeah.
No.
A lot of them are like that far off the water, so you gotta go up and over.
Some good luck, man.
Thank you. We're gonna get a different boat.
So you didn't like the boat, huh? No.
Longer, narrower.
Yeah.
Lighter and that floats on top of the water.
My wife has gotten in to run the mixed division. This is my wife Karen.
Hey, Karen.
And we ran the mixed division. We ran experience. We ran recreational. And then when my partner kind of dropped out because of his knee, I got in the one-man canoe. And there's one fella that stands in my way, Mr. John Edwards. He's the best.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. He's the best. And I'm gunning for him this year. But win or lose, he always makes me bring my A game. He brings out the best in me, the best in the competitor, the best in the person.
That's great.
He's a great guy, and I look up to him for respect. But at the same time, I want to be with him.
That's the best way to have a competitive race is with your friend. You know, like somebody that's a good competitor. Bring out the best in you.
It does. It does. Now, sometimes in people it brings out, a different side, but I'm glad it doesn't do me that.
Absolutely. So here's our flyer. We are going to be working with teens, teaching them. I'm actually a therapist, and he's a mechanic.
Okay.
So we're going to be teaching them therapy and mechanic skills.
All right.
So
Where are y'all from?
we live in Morriston. So
Morriston?
Yep, we're right down the road.
You're right.
Yes. What's your favorite part of this track?
The favorite part, I think it's the first. To start off, when we start off and we get to, there's a long straightaway. Have y'all been down it?
No.
There's a long straightaway that's like a mile, and there's a trestle at the end. And in that one, you got to just, you see everybody up there. Everybody's a couple minutes. When you see them, you go, but you got to hold back. You don't want to just give it all in 1 mile, and we got 14 more to go.
Yeah, right.
So I try to catch Mr. John or whoever I'm competing against and try to stay with them through that mile without blowing up.
We were pretty interested in seeing you have to jump a log on the finish line.
Yeah, what's up with that?
I think you this year.
Oh, really?
They were so low.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you guys have pretty fun, or?
Yes, ma'am. It's awkward, but doable. See, there's probably I run it every week here, and I have to repair this boat every week. It's that low, 30 obstacles total. I mean, we've got probably 4 sets of Class 1 rapids. There's just rocks everywhere, and then there's probably logs and log jams. And there's places in the river right now that two boats can't pass at the same time.
Hey, are you guys racing?
Yes, ma'am.
You excited?
Yeah, we're ready.
This is your second year, right?
It's my second year for me and Jackson as a team. This will be second year for my dad and then my sister, like as parent youth, and then me and my dad have done it as parent youth the very first year. And so the second and then this year, me and Jackson will go. So.
Ah, what's the scariest part of the track?
Probably getting a leak.
You guys.
Last year, when it's low, there's a lot of lime rock, kind of like towards like the other half, and so if we hit the wrong spot, we had a leak in our kayak, so we had to drain it a couple times, and then at the end, it was like probably had like 6 or 7 gallons of water. It was really heavy. Like you could tell it didn't love the water. So it was really hard to get it over that palm tree that's at the end. And that was a real struggle for us because we had so much water. And once we kind of like pushed it like over, just went straight down, all the water rushed to that side. So that took us like at least maybe 2 minutes to get over that log because it was so heavy.
Wow.
This year we sealed it up. It's been tested, and nothing's, as of right now, doesn't have a leak. I mean, you should one wrong rock and
It's over, huh?
this one's narrower, and I think a little lighter for us. My dad and Olivia have the green one down there on the parent youth, and that's just wider and a little bit heavier. So
Oh,
it's easier. I'm trusting it again, so maybe third time's the charm for this one.
nice. Well, good luck,
Awesome.
guys and
Yeah,
ladies.
thank you.
Yeah.
Is this your grandson racer?
Yeah, that's one of them.
Awesome. Are you excited?
Yes, ma'am. This is, I think, like my 4th time doing it.
Wow. What's
So
your,
this is one of the little ones.
oh, so you're racing too? We got 2 racers here. What's your guys' favorite part of the track? You haven't been
guys
yet?
both going?
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
one
why you
time.
look a little nervous, huh?
Say, is this his first year?
Oh.
Is this his first year?
Yes, sir. This is
Yeah.
his first year.
Awesome,
Very
awesome.
cool.
I haven't won anything yet. I haven't got a trophy yet, but
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna win anything really great.
But it's
Say
super
it's all,
fun to
yeah, it's all about the
participate.
fun, right?
Yes.
How do you like jumping the log at the end?
Oh, that's the best part.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're so hot. You're so hot. You're ready for that log.
You get to jump in the water and then pull it out, so you're like, yes.
I think one of my strategies, I'm gonna try it because there are some areas where it's shallow. I might just jump in like ankle, like sometimes my boat scrapes against the ground. I'm probably just gonna jump out and just run.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Wow, maybe
Yeah,
give you that
yeah.
little bit of edge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He might be running with his hair.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretend there's a gator behind you the whole time, right?
Awesome. I could get a chance to go.
Yeah,
Well,
there
good
you go.
luck, man. We hope you do. Hope you
Yeah,
win this
thank
one. What
you.
class are you in?
Recreation.
You're in recreation? What are you in?
He's
Yeah.
what,
Oh, okay. Are you guys are sharing then?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very cool. Good luck,
Awesome.
guys.
Yeah, good luck.
Good job, guys. You're there. Go 158. Woo! Go 171. Woo! Almost there. This looks like an exhausting track. Almost there, guys. Go 66. Last one.
Another one. Oh, he crashed. Crash landing. There's another one coming. You have to go above.
Almost there. Go 20. Woo!
Come on, don't miss the flag.
Good job, guys. Almost there. Go 114. That's the fastest, second fastest of the boats. Woo! Go 191, you're almost there. Bam. Got it, 180, almost there. Woo! Racing his own. I think they're in the same class. Woo! Come on, guys, go! Go 133. Woo! Good job, guys. Oh, yeah, he's like a competitive team couple. Get out and dump it.
Oh my god, that's my kid.
Oh man.
Sinking. Oh my gosh.
So close.
That's awesome.
businessman. What do you thought?